JavaScript, Regular Expressions. By Fahad Al-Riyami. What is a regular expression? A regular expression is a sequence of characters that forms a search pattern. These regular expressions are used to perform all types of text search and text replace operations. When searching for specific data in a text, you can use regular expressions to best describe what you are searching for. A regular expression can range from being a single character to being a more complicated pattern depending on the task at hand. The syntax. The syntax of regular expressions is as shown. The first section is the pattern that is to be used in the search, and the second part of it is the modifier that changes the search pattern in a specific way. In the example that is shown, banana is the pattern that is being used in the search and the I represents the modifier. In this case the modifier I changes the search to be case insensitive. I will be going over more into modifiers later on in this presentation. The pattern. As said before, the pattern can be consisted of a single character to a more complicated pattern. Brackets can be used to find a range of characters. Just letters inputted will find any character between the brackets. Any letters with the up symbol placed in front will be excluded. To find a range of digits, simply use the hyphen symbol to find any digit between the range. Using the up symbol again will exclude the range of digits specified. Modifiers. The modifier can be used to perform case-sensitive more global searches. The I modifier performs case-insensitive matching. The G modifier performs a global match, in which it finds all matches instead of stopping right after the first match. The M modifier performs multi-line matching. String methods. In JavaScript, regular expressions are often used with the two string methods, search and replace. The search method uses a regular expression to search and return its position of what the pattern that it finds. If nothing is found, null is returned instead of a number. The replace method uses a regular expression to search for the pattern and replace it with a string specified. Here is an example of how the search method is used in HTML. When the page is run, a button called search will be displayed on the screen. Upon being clicked by the user, it will display the position of the word example in the string. This is an example. The position of the word example is 11 in the string. The next example is how the replace method is used in HTML. When the page is run, a button called replace will be displayed on the screen. Upon being clicked by the user, it will replace the word example with test in the string. This is an example. The new string will then be displayed on the screen. If you'd like to take a better look at the examples shown in the video, feel free to go back and pause it at any time to better examine them. Regular expressions object. In JavaScript, the regular expression object is an object that has predefined properties and methods. Two of the methods often used with regular expression objects are test and exec. The test method searches a string for a pattern and returns true or false, depending on the result. The exec method searches a string for a specified pattern and then returns the found text. If there is no match found, it will return null. Here is an example of how the test method is used in HTML. When the page is run, a button called test will be displayed on the screen. Upon being clicked by the user, it will check if the character P is in the string. This is an example. Since the character P is present in the string, true will be printed out in the next line. The next example is how the exec method is used in HTML. When the page is run, a button called exec will be displayed on the screen. Upon being clicked by the user, it will check if the character P is in the string. This is an example. Since the character P is present in the string, the character P will be printed out in the next line. Remember, if you would like to see the examples used in this presentation again, feel free to go back and pause it wherever you'd like. This is the end of my JavaScript regular expressions tutorial. Thank you for taking the time to listen, and I hope this video has made it easier for you to understand. If you enjoyed the video, make sure to leave a like and feel free to comment below if you still have any questions.